Hey guys, Kai here from Telco and welcome back to the channel. The Sony WH-1000XM4 is out. Been testing this out for about 2 weeks and today we are going to talk about 5 things to note about the new WH-1000XM4. Still hated the naming convention. Well, stick around and we'll talk to you guys about why this might be worth a purchase. Let's go! Okay, number one, we have to talk about design changes. If you were to pick a demo set or a new set, possibly on a display in a store, you can never tell that this is a new model. You can't really tell. One look and you cannot see any differences between the XM4 and the old XM3. For anyone who is not up to speed, the XM3 was a previous generation of the series. The only way you can tell if there's any difference at all is if you put them side by side physically and really scrutinize them both. From there, you could see that the XM4 has bigger ear cups. The biggest difference that I could tell is that the XM4 has a sensor in one of the ear cups, the left one. We'll talk more about it later on. Hint, it makes the headphones smarter. Now, the design is also my chief complaint about this product. I would expect a new look. At least I wouldn't make a stupid mistake in buying an XM3, which I thought would be the XM4. Alright, the next part is about sound quality. Sound quality remains as good as the XM3. I did not detect any new sound signature on the XM4, so I guess Sony's approach to this is if it isn't broken, don't fix it. Which isn't a bad thing because the XM3 sounds good. Now, similarly to the XM3, the sound signature is rather balanced. It sounds quite pristine for wireless headphones. From my test, it sounds warm and detailed with an overall nice top end. We also love that the Sony brought along the 360 reality audio to this model. You can literally hear 360 audio if you were to play 360 audio on services such as Tidal, Deezer or Nux.net. Now, I do not know how else to describe 360 reality audio other than being very immersive, and in my colloquial English in Singapore, very short. So if you are buying this just for the sound quality, I would say save your money instead and buy the cheaper XM3. Alright, about noise cancelling, Sony brought new and better improvements to the noise cancellation in the XM4. In my opinion, so far, the best noise cancellation for wireless headphones is the Bose QC35 Mark II. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, for saying this, but that's just my opinion. But at the same time, the XM4 has superseded the Boses. Yeah, it is now, in my opinion, the king of noise cancellation. So having said that, it also means that the noise cancelling in this is way better than the XM3, significantly better. So if you get the XM4, you would not get shortchanged on the noise cancelling technology. It's the best that I've experienced so far. Now, about comfort. Along with noise cancellation, I also thought that the most comfortable wireless headphones is again the Bose QC35 Mark II, which I'm sure I will get some hate comments after this. Well, I can wear that Bose for hours and hours without having any fatigue on both of my ears because, you know, large sets of ears. And the XM4 is on par, no exception. I can wear these for hours, stark contrast to the XM3 because I clearly remember when I put on the XM3, I always feel that the ear cups often hug my big sets of ears a bit too tightly than I like to. So the ear cups are bigger than the XM3. Yeah, but although the ear cups are bigger, the cushion is a little thinner. This means it will allow more air circulation so that your ears won't get super hot if you wear these headphones for hours on end. So I think the weight, the ear cup sizes and the cushions on the ear cups are the main factors for making this very light and comfort. Okay, smart features. The XM4 comes packed with new smart features with the app. If you download the app and you work through it, you can do wondrous things with it. Let's highlight a few. You can now have a chat with a person without taking off your headphones at all. That's awesome. So if you are putting it on, so once you start speaking, the audio that you are listening to will get muted. The noise cancellation will also get muted. It'll just be automatically off, and the mics will pick up spoken dialogues. You can get the headphones to detect what kind of traveling mode you are in. If you say you are in a train, commuting, the headphones will smartly detect that you are in a train and lower down your noise cancellation level so that you can hear the train announcement. In that way, you won't miss your stop. This was first introduced in the WH-1000XM4, the wireless earbuds. You can connect digital assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Alexa just triggered, sorry. So once you've connected all your digital assistants, you can control your smart light, your TV, for example, with this. Also, better call quality now that the mic uses AI to detect your voice from the environment noise. This helps greatly in your teleconferences now that most of us are working from home. And here's a quick test on how well the XM4 makes better calls.
This is a call quality test on the Sony WH-1000XM4 in a quiet background. This is a call quality test on the Sony WH-1000XM4 in a quiet background. This is a video conferencing call quality test on the Sony WH-1000XM4. This is a video conference call quality on the Sony WH-1000XM4.
Alright, those were the 5 things to note about the new XM4. My verdict for these headphones, again, if you're just looking for the sound performance and quality, you should just stick to the XM3. It is cheaper, at least $150 cheaper, and it is a solid wireless headphones. But if you want better noise cancellation, better comfort, better call quality, and experience new smart features on a pair of headphones, the XM4 is definitely for you. But if you already own a pair of XM3, I really think that it's not necessary for you to upgrade. However, if you do go ahead and purchase the headphones, you won't regret your purchase. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, consider hitting the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you get notified on a future video that we upload. Alright, till the next one, we'll see you again. Goodbye.